Hello everyone on my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I am gonna discuss about the affidavits you need for your enrollment in Punjab and Haryana Bar Council. So you need three affidavits in Punjab and Haryana Bar Council. First is of law degree, second is of stamp duty, and third is of AIB. So let's have a look on the affidavits. So first affidavit is about your law degree. So it is written like before the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh. Here you write your name, affidavits of your name, and daughter of your son of your father's name, residence of your address, and I hereby solemnly affirm and declare as under. Here you write your college name and you write your session of your course, and here you write your address. After that, in this section, you have to write your semesters, how many semesters you have in your course, maybe 6 or 10. Or here you write your session year, university roll number, and exam held in which semester. So here you write that the convocation of university has not yet taken place, and as such as I am unable to produce original law degree with application form. These are the points you have to write in your affidavit. You can take a screenshot if you want. So here you write date on which you attest your affidavit from notary, place of attestation, verification. You write your sign here, and here you write date, place, and your signature. Next affidavit is about stamp duty affidavit. So it is like affidavit of name, daughter of son of name of your father, your address, and this is the stamp duty affidavit. You can take a screenshot if you want. Date of attestation from notary, your signature, date of attestation, place, your signature. So this is all this is all about your stamp duty affidavit, and this is about your law degree affidavit. I hope you have taken the screenshots. Next affidavit is about your AIBE affidavit. So it is written here like I, name, daughter of your father's name, residence of your address, bearing enrollment number. This is all about your affidavit of AIBE. Have been enrolled in the State Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana in the year. I have obtained law degree during the academic year, your academic year, and I have to apply to the next All India Bar examination. I undertake that I will practice as an advocate provisionally till I qualify the All India Bar examination, and I shall pass this examination within 2 years from the date of enrollment, whichever is earlier. I further undertake that in case I do not qualify the All India Bar examination within 2 years from the date of my enrollment, I will not practice as an advocate before any court in India. I shall be abide by the decisions of Bar Council of India. Here the date of attestation and place of attestation and your signature, your name, and your address. So this is all about your affidavits you need. You can take a screenshot of this affidavit also. So this is all about the affidavits you need in the enrollment of the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana. I hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please comment if you have any doubts in the comment section. Thank you so much.